All right, so let's get into the factoring real quick. We know that my two values for my c have to multiply to give me c, but then add to give me my b, which is 13. So therefore, when quickly, if I can't think about this in my head, a lot of times I'll do is just write out the factors. And again, I'm not going to be concerned about if they're positive or negative, because I'll show you how that's going to work, or 11 times 2. So therefore, those are the two factors that I know for 22. And now I look at this and I say they have to multiply by 22. So therefore, these both could be positive or they both could be negative, because a negative times a negative also gives you a positive. However, I look at my middle term, and since my middle term is positive, I know that both my factors also have to be positive, because a negative times a negative, yes, gives you a positive, but a negative plus a negative is still going to give you a negative number. So therefore, I'm going to use the positive values, and I say, all right, by adding these two factors, which one gives me 13? Well, that's going to be that case, right? So now we're trying to solve this equation. So we want to solve the values of x when y equals 0. So I set it equal to 0. And therefore, I get x plus 11 times x plus 2. Now I have a product equal to 0. I can apply the zero product property by setting both of them equal to 0. Then I solve for x. Now these are the values of x when y, or my output value, is equal to 0. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That is how you solve. Thanks. By factoring.